Throw away leftover wood. It can become the most useful part of your home. Leftover wood from interior work doesn't have to go to waste. In this video, we show smart and creative ways to reuse scrap wood from storage unit and shelves to small furniture, and leftover wood can save money. Welcome to our channel, Viva Interior Tips. Do subscribe our channel for such information. Many times you can find a lot of plywood pieces of 18 mm or 16 mm thickness after interior work is done. Among them, you can select one piece of 4.5 feet by 1.5 feet wide and use a foldable channel of 18 inches or 16 inches and make a foldable table wherever you have less space as shown here. Select a plywood of 18 mm thickness and some screws. These screws are available in market both in silver and gold color. And select a suitable place where you want to hang the towers. Then mark the length and fix the plywood pieces on the wall. Fix the plywood piece on the wall using screws as shown here. According to your requirement, drill holes and fix the screw hooks on the plywood as shown here. Now you can hang your dosa tawas on them, which looks really great in the kitchen, making the best utility of the space. Next is a plant pot holder. On the four sides, you can use small plywood pieces that are left, which can be of 12 mm thickness or 16 mm thickness, and cover it. The base should also be a plywood piece. You can fix it on the wall. Next is a small book stand using leftover wood pieces that are available at the site. So here you can take the length, how much ever you require using this 18 mm thickness plywood. Next is a heater holder. So our client wanted one small stand to accommodate the heater. He wanted the heater to be kept at the same place. So since there was a small gap between the almirah and dressing table, so we took two leftover pieces of plywood and did this. Some of the other items that can be done using leftover woods are as follows. With the simple materials available at site like screws, nails, and adhesives, you can make many items that serve the best utility of your space. It helps to live very comfortably and calmly with such small items that organize your space according to your needs. Don't throw all leftover wood to scrap when your interior work is over. And it is very good from sustainability point of view, and it saves you a lot of money along with providing more comfort to you in day-to-day life. Thank you. For more informations like this, subscribe to our channel, do like and share. Thanks for watching.